Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. So it all starts with this sea salt spray here. So this stuff is from THEMANCODE. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now. So the key draws of this is it gives you a little bit more texture, instantly volumizes your hair a little bit, and it gives you a residue-free finish. So I've dealt with plenty of these other hair products before and putty and stuff like that where, my hands are just kind of all greasy and sticky after. This has been honestly very light and very airy. I just took a shower, so I'm going to show you how I get the look and that kind of finished beachy hair look with this. So my hair is all dried out right now. I'm just going to dampen it a little bit. They say you can apply this to damp or dry hair. So typically when I'm getting out of the shower, I'll have it just a little bit damp like this. So this is what we're starting with. And then you don't really need to use a whole lot. You can use maybe 3 to 5 sprays. It's kind of all depending. But I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I've been finding this is actually going quite a long way for me here. You can see what it says here for some of the ingredients. There's kelp extract, there's red algae extract, aloe vera extract in here as well. So, all good things. Typically if you get it towards the base, the better too, a little bit just for the hold and stuff. So I typically just do a few sprays like that. And then I do end up using my hands kind of quite a bit with this. I mean, you could use also a comb, but you can kind of get it in through your hair. So they also say you can use like a hair dryer if you want to try to set this in a little bit more. But I do like the kind of dried look that this gives you, because then once this actually kind of dries and sets into place and stuff, it ends up looking pretty natural. You really don't get, that gel type look or anything, or even with putty, I'd get kind of a lot with that where you can kind of see, it looks a little bit crusty, a little bit hard and stuff. This gives you, a very lightweight finish. If you wanted to, you could always do this like a little bit on the back. If you typically have that hair that kind of stands up in the back, just give a little bit of a spray back there too. Hit all those spots. But you can see what this is looking like right now. If we just kind of leave it as is like this, and it's going to dry a little bit more, you'll kind of lose that wet look. Then it'll dry pretty nicely, very quick and easy. And as I said, my hands, I'll wash them off here, but you barely really feel like there's anything there though. I was using Old Spice putty for a few years and kind of more spiking my hair straight up with that. But man, you'd really get a lot of residue and you'd get that caked on feeling on your fingers. I'd have to wash with hot water, really get it good to fully get all that off my hands. With this stuff, it's really easy to apply. And like I said, even if you get it on your forehead and your skin up here and stuff, you really don't have to worry about it. Been a couple minutes, kind of drying up here. See up close. This is typically my final look here, how I've been kind of wearing my hair since I've got this. Been using it like this for a few weeks. Just kind of combing it over like that. I'm pretty happy with it. And then this is going to hold pretty well and stay like this if it does kind of blow around a bit. I found throughout the day it's just super easy. I mean, you just do, a little swipe and fix your hair and it goes back to normal and pretty much stays like this too. So if you are, out in the wind and stuff like that, I found that it's, very resilient and it does tend to stay like this. But if you need to just do a quick little touch up, it's easy as that, and then it kind of holds again. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, but it's actually a nice, pleasant smell. It's not harsh. So, I doubt if you're spraying this in your hair and stuff, once it dries and that, there's probably not going to be much more of a smell left over either way. It's just super easy look to achieve and get, and just very easy to apply this. Like I said, I definitely like this a lot more than some of the putties that I was trying before and everything. It was really kind of a bear to try to get that on, have to wash my hands and have that stuck on my hands and stuff for a while. I'm really happy with it. There's going to be an affiliate link there in the comments and description if you want to pick some up for yourself. This would be a great gift for men. And guys, if you want to switch it up from putty or something else like I did, I think this is a great option. Subscribe for more men's grooming and style content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.